breakfast time. Let's look at Saina and her breakfast. What do you have for breakfast?
Cheetos and cocoa.
I love that. And then Judy has Vaisalo. I have Vaisalo. Yes, and then there's Ari behind us doing his baby's bottle. He's such a good dad.
That's the first time you see it. The last time you'll see it.
Vaisalo. Oh, you can't see it. And this is my favorite bungy. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Hi guys, we're just here. How are we?
We're at the hair salon, nail salon, toe salon.
I don't know where we are. I think we're in Salon 20.
I forgot what it's called. Beautiful.
It's called Beautiful. Yep. And the beautiful bride is just getting ready.
Yes.
What nails are you doing? What type of nails? Pasang may i. French tips. Nice. And then we have the auntie of the bride over there.
The maid of honor is over there.
The second maid of honor.
Come, auntie, show off your hair. Walking soccer.
It's only how much? Yeah. $20 for it. But mom.
This one is better. Like it touched inside.
Yeah. I'll do my hair tomorrow. The straightener or the iron. You guys ever straighten your hair with the iron?
Go like this on my finger.
Yeah, on the iron board.
Iron board.
See, she knows. Yeah, you bring the iron board.
They're actually nice color. Yeah. They're the nice ones. Do you like them?
Yeah.
That was ghetto.
That was ghetto.
It was just a table.
It was so funny.
What's your review on this salon? I mean, they did what they could.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 4 because they weren't really working.
Just giving it honest. I think it's also, salons are very new to the islands type thing. Like salon culture, where you need to like...
And then they don't know how to talk to people, you know, like, hey, how are you, you know. I was the one welcoming them. Hi guys,
I'm welcoming myself inside.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Just like, it's okay, they're still up and at it. They'll get there.
Mom, what was your experience like?
2 out of 10.
Why?
They should have. It's just the customer service inside the thing. But actually, $20 for this.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
So inside, you should have chairs for
People who are waiting. And we just stood there. They didn't want to be like, come sit down in the empty
Yeah,
chair.
didn't even do that
They just
at all.
stared at us.
I
Literally
wonder
stared
what
at
they
us.
think.
So I just stared
Looking
back.
at us.
Just an honest review. We love our people.
Oh, of course.
We love our people, which is, yeah. This is just something
They're
that...
talking from the business side of,
Yeah.
of things.
Shoot, if that was our salon.
we would be getting... One is nice. Oh, these are
so pretty.
These are better, yeah. See, this has a tinge of orange to go with the Laurelays. That's nice. At least a little color.
It's a cute one.
Yeah, this is what I mean. I think these are all from Hawaii from the last time I came here. Yeah.
It's nice and simple work.
That's cute. Yeah, tiaras. Wow.
Oh, it's kind of too big. I like it small.
Come, let's go around. Guys. Oh, I like this one.
It's cute.
It's pretty.
See, cute.
Even the orange
This orange is cute.
with the dresses.
No. No, I'm just saying it's cute.
That's a cute orange, yeah. These are actually really nice ones. Oh, they have lace. Me too. I love this one.
These are the scissors I was talking about.
Yeah, not the ones.
Automatically. I just sprayed it.
Okay, this is a nice simple one.
How much are those?
These are 25. Because the smaller ones are like $7. I love that color combo. Oh, these are small ones. And those mini ones. Here, double ones. Doubles. That blue is
The dark blue.
I'm gonna get a pair of black pearls.
We are going inside the market. Thank you. What? Almost just fell. Ah, how pretty.
So this is Sab.
Sab.
Stationary. Look at that.
Alright, Sabs is popping.
Let's go find that lady. Let's go scare her.
Wow, they have everything here, including the Christmas decorations. Merry Christmas, fam! Seeing the best driver in all of Apia.
But they don't have one, so we'll see if we can find one.
What do you mean they don't
Number
have
one.
Getting numbers for the wedding.
Yeah.
That's way big.
Those are cute.
Good.
Show the cameraman. We have Sad all the time. Such a huge store. Such a huge store.
So what are you doing now, Judy?
Trying to look for numbers. Oh, this is all 59. 2, 1. Oh, here's 9. 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it, guys. Look at us.
Oh, is that up to 30?
Yeah.
Okay.
We
I'll check it out.
have been looking for all these numbers, and we found it.
They got the right thing.
Hey! Good job, team. Good job, team. Little party? Yeah. Good job.
Oh, okay. Hello. Hi, Auntie. Oh. Bye. Ese luwala ako. My turn. My turn.
We were in there. We're
Oh,
having
you
the
were
best
in
day.
Macca's.
No, we ate at a cafe.
Oh, look, they're doing it here.
Are they done?
They're all doing it. Go see.
Oh, who are these new ladies? I don't know. Beyonce. Wow. Beyonce. Wait, I need to check on my other mom. Okay, back. That's Michelle. I'm gonna go check on Michelle.
Where is she?
She's at the wrong hair salon.
Oh. Oh, it's nice. It's actually very nice. Oh. What's that? Oh, wow, it's like art.
Thank you.
Well, it's like the island bougie of like Chanel.
Yeah. Their dresses are like $700.
My mom would love
That's pretty.
Get one.
How much? If you?
Well, let me wait till my wallet.
Let me wait till
Hey, my wallet. Crazy. Oh, you should have matching something.
I can't.
you guys want orange stick?
You and your.
Shh. Leave your...
This is actually a pretty one.
That's cute.
Oh, is this Tev? Oh my gosh, there's Tev. There's Tev here.
Yeah, they so cute.
But
way.
look at the price tag.
Oh, let me see.
Your legs are
Hell.
700. It's usually like 300. 300 and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's cute.
Cut off my hair.
To what? Yes, thank you.
Traded it.
Tev. Wow! Give us a little twirl, girl.
Beyonce, Michelle.
Do a slow motion version.
Oh, it's from In and Out.
No, it's In and Out copycat. In and Out.
In and out.
It's from America. They
America.
stole it from us. About to eat some animal fries.
From
In and Out copycat.
From Breeze Chicken and Chips.
Is it Breeze or Brace?
That's what I think.
Breeze. Hi everyone. Welcome to the vlog again. We're here in, where are we? Lima. This is where the drink is from.
Where?
Lima. The Lima drink.
Oh, what is that?
The beer thingy.
Oh, do you drink it?
Yeah.
Oh, you know.
Yum. Get a video of me running. And then get chased by the dog. Go. Oh wait, there's some people.
No, you're scared. These are my people.
Okay guys, so we're here at Breeze Chicken Shop where they're known for their animal fries. So we're going to from In and Out. So for those Americans who are watching, there's a Samoan version of your animal fries here in Lima. And we just missed it, so no. We are
No, there's no way this is boyfriend.
we are pre-ordering for tomorrow. That's what's happening. Right now we're eating the I'm so hungry.
No, they're actually preparing it for tomorrow because they ran out.
Oh, they
So
were
we're gonna go eat some else. I'm starving.
Macarena. Wow, Irene. Did you notice? He didn't notice. Can you just
Is it too late? We're gonna go home.
How was it? Rate it. What did you
Fucking
get?
luck today. I got egg fouillon, chow mein, the steak, and
What's good here?
Egg fouillon and the steak, hey?
Egg fouillon ba lang?
Where? Steak. Guys, this is peanuts. And then there's Auntie. Peanutsy today.
Yes.
Animal fries tomorrow.
Yes.
Animal fries.
I know. Rice?
What's that? Oh yeah, rice.
You said rice.
We came to the OG place.
What do you get?
I just got the same because I don't know what I want.
Guys, okay fam, we're here at Bnutsy's. Bnutsy's is where the locals eat. So Bnutsy's, yum yum.
Wow. The chicken is so good.
for real.
Better than Dad, Mom's cooking.
Yeah. Filipino style. Oh, this is too tough. So good. This is my first taxi. I'm 5 years.
Cleaning.
Taxi.
Oh, it is.
Right, guys, show us your plates. How good? 10 out of 10. How was it? Oh, so good. But that meant take half of my food. How are you going? Yeah, we smashed it. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm so full. We are full. Almost ate the plate. We have like fala. Oh, yum. Oh, yeah, like vai fala. What's the vai fala?
My fala is
Pineapple.
pineapple drink.
It's a pineapple drink. Is that your recipe?
I made it.
You made it? Go ahead.
That's a lie. I was doing the pineapple.
Hey.
Don't take my credit.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi. Inessa, eu cofu de vai a ali. Yeah. That's so. It's always good. Turn that did it. Oh, never mind.
That was auntie. Wow.
No quay phẳng ở đâu cả mang nó phê ngọ.
You're welcome, Masioko.
Thank you.
Yeah? Yeah, I want the food.
Oi, oi. Oh.
Is that ice cream in it?
Ooh. Okay, oi, bride. Bride, okay, oi. I was like, yeah. Hala ako. Bye-bye. Ya sirve Manuia. Boleh oleh alo.
Era lo kul popore.
Nanti ada apa?
Popore pari.
Just waiting for this. Whoa! So now look, this is the aftermath. Wow! Blood, sweat, and tears, and a broken back for this, just for that.
Guys, this is the guy I married last year. I don't know if you remember, but you remember this pretty girl.
It's hard because like I think she's recording you for the camera.
Wait, that's crazy. Hey guys, it's been a while. Married life is great. Thank you for asking. We're currently in Samoa for our sister's wedding. And yeah, it's a good time to be alive.
So we just got Georgie's pizza. We just got some here. You can't see her. Okay, ready? So say prayer. Say love her. Okay, everyone, there's plates there.
What did they say when you were like?
Smells good. Wait. Oh yeah, mali. Mawa, oi. Oh. Auntie Kitty. And that's your auntie Sal. The famous Georgie's pizza. Food review. What do you have?
Pepperoni and barbecue.
And her son's. Her son's leftover. Hi. And what's your name? Daddy.
Spell your name.
Just spell your name. Wow. Try the pepperoni.
I'm halfway done with mine. Is it good? I don't like
Yeah. Remember you showed me your house? And everything in your house?
and everything outside.
Oh, this is yum. Sayo, I love. You mauna? Are you sure?
Clean up. Oh, it's okay.
Clean up is.
I'm the cleanup.
She's the cleanup.
I actually really like her hair. Oh, I like this song. People say I got a drinking problem.
Hugging each others.
Oh, I guess.
Bye guys.
Bye bye. Auntie, what are you doing?
We're doing the ribbons for what do you call them? The bottle.
Bottles of champagne
Yes. And these are handmade, made with love.
made with so much
Yes,
love.
so much love. Yes.
Nice. All DIY for the wedding. This is all going to be DIY for the wedding.
Hi everybody.
Welcome
to
Ya ole wo so safina ole ma atasiolo uola be anai ai ola uanga na te au mai au lo
Go fight. Aka Sam ka kole wa mau wale. Sam, aka kole wa mau wale lock le.
Maya mama resto ko. Oh yeah.
and then you just
Ngali pwede pa ya box ngai.
Can you show me?
I don't know.
Go and figure it out.
figure it out.
Ooh,
Do it together.
I love it.
And just put it in one.
But we need the bobby pins. Let's see. Let's see.
The same's nice.
And the earring. And the earring is nice. I made it.
Yeah, oh wow.
Full orange.
Yeah, I'm gonna get orange.
Get me wrong. The necklace and the thing is very beautiful. In Mangaya, but it's okay here for us, but the girls,
Yeah,
maybe
it's too much for them.
for them. Yeah.
That's yeah.
That's it.
But Auntie, you suit it though.
Until
That's nice though. It's simple.
They're gonna have their hair up.
Yeah, message.
oh yeah. What necklace?
No.
Oh,
Orange and the white so that we can see.
I don't know if I say white. Mana white ngali.
Say 511 ulu.
Yang may lola ko ba? Ile orange there.
How about yellow?
What? That's nice. I like this. The same.
I
better.
love that comment to say.
Actually, earrings are nice.
It's nice.
I think the orange one.
I think
Got the
the
lingo
orange.
orange.
Yeah, I think the orange was better.
Yeah.
Because of the say. The same.
Yeah, the same in compliment.
Yeah.
Good
Okay,
job
so
on the
we're going to
say.
say-
Good
yeah,
job on
say
the
all
say.
Yeah.
Say. Yeah.
This one too.
You've already committed.
Yeah.
You've got everything.
She makes it look good.
Yeah, she actually does. This is what we're doing. We're doing the little favors for the tables. So we got our tuxedos and then we have the bride's dresses.
And we're gonna put the banana in time.
Oh.
One banana.
Oh, nice. Because everyone needs a nail clipper and a bottle opener.
Because having mixed too much.
Sparkling juice right there. Sparkling juice. Yep.
Yeah. She's eating the animal fries. Because she's animal fries, Mom. She's the animal. You were eating it. She ate My mom was the first one to eat it. She ate most of it. Oh my goodness, the lights is shining.
Look how cool that is. That's so fancy. So fancy. Okay guys, we are still here.
What's the time now?
Bata bata. Yeah, mama.
1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
It's time to sleep. Time to sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we sleep on the table.
Okay, family, here is Alisa. This is my uncle, my mom's older brother's house. And it's so pretty. He has all the flowers in the world. These are pretty though. Oh, they're very delicate. Oh, they're delicate. Wow, they're pretty. It's okay. Is that the oh, mom? This is a juice. I love this one. Okay, this is my auntie Asafa's juice. You can't see it. It has all the little bits that I have to guess what's inside.
More natural, mommy.
Wait, how many fruits are in there?
New. There's juice and new and the flesh.
Yeah.
Yeah, or pineapple, mommy.
Pineapple.
Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit.
With the mango in it.
There's a banana.
Oh, banana.
Chia seed.
Mmm.
Chia seed and passion fruit.
Banana's juice is yum.
Yeah, I already drink some.
Mm.
Go. The charity. Oh.
So what, your solids?
Yeah. Do you have the ball? Follow the ball. Oh, wow! My goodness.
The ball got in.
We're at Edwina's. She's doing her nails. Guys, look at my nails. These are my nails. Your color is 20 is yellow.
And then 10 is blue. I want to see a brand new one.
Yeah.
And then
5
the
is
colors.
pinky. And then purple is $50 and then green is $100.
The purple or green.
Can we see? Can we see your nails? Oh, they're nice.
Come do our nails tomorrow.
She can't speak right now. By the way, this is what. Wow.
Goya look cool.
Yes.
Oh, that's yours. Natural.
Lola, show us yours. And then you know how like we've been having family weddings like last year, this year. We're gonna have another 2 next year. Judy and Kilesa.
What happened? Guys, if I get engaged next year, I'm be as shocked as you.
Let's go look for it at the temple, guys. Should be at the temple. What do you say?
Love me, pray for me.
Tell of love, everyone. We are now home. Do you want to say anything, Julie? Whoa. When you hit the then you let go.
Love me, won't you? Say something.
She's serenading my daughter is crazy. Here's the bride, guys. Here to steal my child. Soon to have hers.
Which song? Yeah, girl.
I know there's someone else.
Look at her, she's judging you. Okay, Mama's done. Mama's finished. She's so disgusted. Look at her. She's like, I don't know you. I'm Santa. Hi. It's currently 9:41 and our family is crazy going about doing things. So I'll give you a tour actually. Because here's our amazing bridesmaids. There's a bride slaving away. What type of chocolates are we putting them in? The favors?
We got Kiss,
Hershey's,
and we ran out of nuggets.
and nuggets.
And then we got beans too.
Yeah.
Let's do that video.
No, we'll go, come. Where's your sit, man? Don't wait for my color TV, go. Say hi.
Hi.
So we have the alkuka here. Say hello, everyone. The head of the wheel. Okay.
No, yeah.
Oh, I know. I live. Nakalinga. Kami pa makala. Oi, oi. Oi, oi.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Hey, I'll give him a hello. Hey, that's my present. No, it's your nephew.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC.
Wow.
Next I want to be with me.
Oh, I want to be with me. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Rehearsal.
What's your name?
Mama Bachi.
Hey, Kaskan. What's your name?
My name is Christina.
Wait, bye. What's your name? Wait, bye. Ay, oi. Come on, Leah.
Now,
What's your name?
Denzel.
Why you don't No, the full name.
Full name.
Oh, that's Selena.
Ah. Wow,
Daddy.
wow, look at these. These are the flowers for the wedding,
I feel like most of these
All
will
of
be
this.
for the poles.
All of this are for the decoration.
Huh?
Five color.
No.
Ayan machop wa ale wa pet man.
Done. Woo. Okay. We're done. Okay, guys.
Well, that's really close to the house.
We are. Yeah, I think they're waiting. Oh, they're waiting for everyone to leave.
Leave already. Oh my goodness. It's taking so long.
Guys, this is our Alofai. Never feel. Never fakali lako.
Seriously, it's 10:40.
Okay, guys. We're here at the Falisa.
We're here at the Falisa. People are still here. They're supposed to leave a long time ago.
Oh, it's that's small. What, auntie? Feel with Fakalia. Oh, fine. It's alright, auntie. You look amazing.
So tired.
Yes. Auntie, you need to go rest.
Don't be tired.
Don't be tired.
Don't be tired. Nearly finished.
Don't We're going up until the dawn. What benefits? Hey, excuse me, Nash. There's like brooming and you're going on top of it. Okay, so we're doing the tables. Tables. Anyways, next.
Give me more, give me more.
Tell me more. I thought that was circle for some reason. So we are currently 10 p.m. We are going to do this. Stay tuned with us. We'll show you the work in progress for the setup.
And to do the flowers for the head table and plus centerpiece.
So we got some fresh plants. Efayakako centerpieces. Geunga leho. So this is the hole. Wow, he's such a professional right now. Hello, five. Your thoughts and feelings. Thoughts and feelings.
Feeling very excited, tired, to be honest, but we're good.
Yeah,
Feeling good.
amazing. Hi, Tawa. Boleh alih cancel if I. This is all for you, Kitty. Oh!
I love you, kids. That's all I gotta say.
That's all I gotta say. Go dance, dance, dance. Hey, Thaddeus. Thaddeus, come. Big arms, big arms. Siva, fast, Siva. Come here. Yay! Wow! Sali pa ba ngayon? Let's go solo! So Manatsu, so Lagona. Well, one day left. Are you sure? I found one for you. Lelava, Galofai. Maloa, Ulua. Nearly there. Only half year. Hey, I'm done. Nope. It's 1 o'clock. Boy, 7 hours. Oh, boy, you look so tired. It's good. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Bye, bride and groom.